gotta figure out how to get this camera to work over here, and I did. Okay.
Are you still using an iPhone or a cell
No,
phone?
sir. We're in the attorney visit. I gotta figure out how to get this camera to work over here, and I did. Anthony Folks is who's first.
Okay, hang on
Come out here.
just a second. All right, hang on. I'm trying to get the paperwork straight so we don't have to do it twice or 15 times. Anthony,
sir. Yes, sir.
Anthony, I'm Harris
Yes, sir.
Blanchette. I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the justice of the peace.
Yes, sir.
You're charged with the offense of public intoxication. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while being questioned by peace officers or attorneys to represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to quit talking at any time. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang on just a second. I'm going to try and do all this. Are you currently out on bond anywhere else?
No, sir.
All right. This is a Class C misdemeanor, a fine-only offense, and it's in my court. So I have the right to ask you if you want to plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest.
Okay.
How do you want to plead on the charge of public intoxication?
Guilty, sir.
All right. We're going to do that. Hang on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you time served, and you can
Thank you.
there.
Thank you, sir.
Let me just finish this and we'll be in good shape. 22 p.m. All right, I'll be sending something over there for you to sign showing that
Okay.
you pled guilty to this.
Yes, sir.
Gave you time served and you'll be going out.
Thank you, sir.
Anthony, do you think you have a drinking problem?
No, sir, I don't.
Well, I saw them in the computer the last time I saw you was for public intoxication.
Yes, sir.
What you have is a traveling problem. When you drink, you travel. When you drink, stay home.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm not going to drink no more, sir.
If you don't have a drinking problem, that's all right. But
Hey,
you
I
don't
promise
have a
you won't see me
traveling
again.
problem.
I promise you won't see me again, sir.
Look out! I'm gonna hold your feet to that.
Oh, well, all right, all right.
We all heard you too.
She heard me too, sir.
I heard. All right. Thank you.
I got Mr. Jerry Llewellyn.
All right. Hang on just a second. Let me get rid of him. Look up Mr. Llewellyn. Okay, Mr. Llewellyn, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the justice of the peace. You're charged with the offense of evading arrest or detention, a misdemeanor class A. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop talking at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you need a court-appointed attorney or are you going to get your own?
Court appointed, please.
All right. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
Yeah, in Angelina County.
What are you on bond out there for?
For cashing a check, and I went to prison and I got out of prison and they had me for a check I cashed for a friend of mine, and it turned out to be a fake check and I got charged with it.
Okay. Where are you at? Where do you live?
I live here.
All right. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set your bond at $1,000 so you can get out. But you do need to, you know, kind of straighten things up and not commit these horrible sins anymore.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So $1,000, so $100 and I can get out?
Well, that'd be between you and the bondsman, how much he wants to charge you for that.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, Your Honor.
But running from the police when they get behind you.
Sir?
Quit running from the police when they get behind you.
Man, I ain't gonna lie to you. I tripped out. My girl and me got in an argument, and I was scared that they were gonna give me a worse charge, and I ran. I tripped out. I really did.
All right, you take care. Be careful.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the wall. Mr. Perez, Joe Perez.
All right.
How you doing, sir? Good afternoon.
Fine. Mr. Perez, you got 2 different charges against you. Let me get those straightened out there, and I'll explain them to you.
Yes, sir.
First, I'm going to tell you, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace. You are charged with evading arrest with a vehicle. It means you ran from the police on a vehicle. Okay? And you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you. You have the right to stop any interview or question it at any time. And you have the right to an examining trial because this is a felony in the 3rd degree. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
All right. And the other charge is possession of a controlled substance and penalty group 2. It's a state jail felony, so you have the same rights.
Yes, sir.
You need the court-appointed attorney?
Say it again, sir.
You need the court-appointed attorney.
Yes, sir. I can't afford one.
All right.
So
And are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
And are you currently out on bond for anywhere else?
No, sir.
All right.
So
Where
I
do you-
have a question. I don't mean to interrupt you.
Sure, go ahead.
On the first charge, I had explained that I was not running. You know, I have a bike that's a loud exhaust. I get wind noise in my helmet. I don't have mirrors on my bike. So when the cop had pulled up beside me and I visually saw him, that's when I had pulled over and I stopped. I wasn't even speeding. I mean, I was speeding. I was going 80 and I was 65, but I was not running from them at all whatsoever.
I understand that, and that's something you'll need to explain to the court when you go to court.
Okay.
Your attorney will
Yes,
take
sir.
care of that.
Yes, sir.
We're past that. All right. Now I'm gonna set your bond at $5,000 on both counts.
Okay.
They're both felonies. All right. Do you have any questions?
So for me to, will I be able to bond out today on $1,000 then?
Well, you'll
For-
be able to bond out when you make those 2 $5,000 bonds. Yes.
Okay, so that'll be $1,000, correct? For,
That'd be between you and the bondsman is what he charges to make the bond for 5,000.
okay, cool. Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you. You have a good one.
I gotta go get the female. I'll be right back.
Okay, thank
All right,
you.
thank you.
You know what?
Yes. He's gonna be surprised when he can't get out. You think? Is it the rule of thumb still 10% of each
Yeah.
bond? But, it'll be probably be $1,000.
Yeah, he knows better than we do.
Unless it might be his first rodeo. What's her name? Mailing the signage, not moving. Now, so you read this to them and then, or go through it, and those are the same things that are on that yellow page.
Yeah.
Judge Elser signs it, the person signs it, but nowhere on that sheet did it say that they plead.
But we can only ask them how they plead on the Class C misdemeanor. Everything else, being above, we can't ask them because we're not the trial judge. Now, I do have one that today was a Class C, and I have a form that I use for it, shows how it pleads and what the fine is, and then I give them time.
That's pretty much, okay, that explains some, because that's what Judge Elser does, she does some.
Yeah.
Time served.
We can only do that on Class Cs because that's in our court.
Yeah, that makes sense. That part I understood. I just didn't understand why I never asked, but I still don't know if there's a plea in
Well, I have them tell me, well, I want to plead this way. I'm not the trial judge. You're gonna have to find somebody else to
there.
do that.
Mhm. And then does he realize he requested a lawyer, now a lawyer's gonna show up on his doorstep or what? I mean, how's that work when it's the,
The lawyer has 48 hours to contact him. he's gonna be out of jail by then. The lawyer will have the information.
if they want to contact. Otherwise, he'll have to contact, no?
Yeah.
I mean, he said he wants the court-appointed lawyer. So if he really wants to follow through with that, he would have to contact them if they can contact them in
Right.
48 hours.
But the attorney will have his phone number and
But most of
address.
the time they say no, right?
It depends. But I get about half and half.
No, okay. So you never see that part.
Well, the form they fill out, the jail does for us. The jail has so many hours to get that to the district judge. And then that district judge will assign an attorney, then that attorney has 48 hours to contact them back.
Something they said in that training the other day made me think that we could get like this form to where it could just be pulled up on a laptop in front of Judge Oldham. Even if it meant somebody going around there and having you vote it up for him. Because in there, because something they were saying made it sound like it's going to be easier if it's all done electronically.
Well,
And I don't remember what made me think of that, what she said exactly.
the
but-
jail is trying to get a system. Well, they will have the form and we'll just read it and they can sign it there at the jail electronically.
That's what they were saying. They're
Yeah.
trying to get away from paper,
Right.
anything paper. Well, that means those yellow forms gotta go away.
Well,
The only way that's
they
gonna-
keep them from renting it out. I don't know.
Yeah, if you grow big enough, I mean, I don't really know if it fit. He just says, no, I'm using these.
And he has that option.
But they could also, I mean, I think if we ever showed him, it's not that hard. To just pull it up and click, click, click. Just, like you said, let's say you already have those pre-marked,
I do.
and then you would just take it off if they said no.
Well, but these are the ones I have to read to them.
Okay.
So that, and then the ones that are pre-marked, sometimes I have them marked up. I kind of guess on what they're going to do. Most of the felonies ask.
But you just click on the box and it puts an X in it for you, right?
Well, I click on the dot, push the X button.
Yeah,
Yeah, all mine are blank until I fill them out.
so you just hold the cursor, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I really don't know how non-technology he is. If he just doesn't want to mess with it, so he says he's
refuses.
not. You know, at home it makes you think he might be, but
Well, so much of his other business is online.
she does all that.
Yeah.
Cause sometimes we send stuff over there for him to print out and sign or and send back to us, but I think it's because there's somebody there, whether it's her or somebody that works for them to do it.
Right.
Could be wrong. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. We've made it work, but he is getting better about getting them to us sooner instead of holding. Not that the DA's really doing anything with them, but
Now, do y'all put them in the PSRS system?
no, I don't know about
Mary might do
that. All I
that.
do is LGS.
Mary may do it.
I have a feeling it's when she doesn't know anything. PS work.
He may not be doing it at all.
It's good.
What you looking for?
Something right. I'm not gonna get past sticky note. I wanna say that.
Here you go. Here you go.
There's been a question her about that before. and I didn't bring her into it. So it's for the warrant, I mean, the magistration.
Mm-hmm.
Is she putting them into the,
PSRS.
into
Public Safety Reporting System. PSRS
Public Safety Reporting
system.
System?
It's run by OCA.
Now, is that taking the same information and
It's,
entering it twice, or?
it's basically, they want to know their name, date of birth, what they're charged with, what time they arrested, and what time you magistrated them. And then
LGS doesn't just feed that over to them?
got to be done by the magistrate. because it asks how big is a bond, did you do bond conditions, things of that nature.
You never shared that with me, so I'm thinking probably drop the ball.
Yeah.
Sir, here's Miss, Nash Melinda.
Are you Melinda Sue Nash?
Yes, sir.
Miss Nash, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace here in St. Antonio County. You're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance in penalty group 1 greater than or equal to 1 gram but less than 4 grams, a felony in the 3rd degree. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, sir, I think.
Well, I just ask you to understand it. You don't have to believe in it, but just you have an idea what you're charged with.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have that attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. The right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used against you. And you have the right to an examining trial, and you quit making your statement at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay, where do you live at?
I just, 93, I live, you know, country,
What town?
Cleveland.
Cleveland, okay. Are you close then? All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $5,000. Do you understand that? You have any questions?
Yes, sir.
Take a deep breath. You have anything you want to like to ask me?
Yes, I do, because I don't know how I'm gonna get out of this. I just lost our home and everything else. We were cleaning the house, and in my pockets of the other stuff you will see, I don't even know. I don't even know what I had. I don't know how I'm gonna get. I don't even know. We lost everything. We were cleaning the house just to make ends meet for us to eat. And when the dollar store opened, we had fallen asleep. And when the dollar store opened, thank goodness my food stamps had hit my card so we could get something to eat. We fell asleep. I have a dog. I don't even know where my dog is. I don't even know how I would get out of here.
Well, you just need to contact the bondsman and tell him you need to make a $5,000 bond.
I don't know how to.
He'll charge you a percentage of that. He won't make you come up with the whole 5,000. And then you can get out. And then you need to contact the attorney that's going to be appointed for you. And then at that point in time, you let him know, and he's the one that will help you out in court. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys stay right here now. That's it, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.